Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps to your FlutterFlow project. So first, you'll need to go to the Google Maps platform page inside of the Google Cloud Platform. Here, you'll need to enable three services. One for Android, one for iOS, and the last for web. So let's add the SDK for Android. It's as simple as going here and clicking Enable. Next, we'll add the web API. And finally, iOS. Next, we'll need to add the API keys in FlutterFlow. So if you've already configured Firebase for FlutterFlow, you should already have 3 API keys ready to be configured. If not, you can always go here to create credentials. So first, let's copy the Android key. We'll go to the Settings tab, all the way to the bottom, and paste in the Android key here. Next, we'll do the same for iOS. And finally, for web. Now that we've done that, I'll show you how to add the Google Maps widget into your project. So just drag and drop from the widget panel into the page. And at this point, now you have several different options to configure your map. So you can set the initial location, either by hand or from a variable. And there's a lot of other different configurations you can add as well. Some of these will not show up on Flutter Web, but will for Android and iOS. You can change the map type as well: terrain, road map, hybrid, and satellite, as well as the style. So this is kind of the theme. So we can see night, for example. Pretty cool. Now let's see how to configure markers. So by default, it won't show any markers. You can configure it to show a single marker that you can set from a variable. Now, when you set from a variable, it needs to be some sort of record, some sort of Firebase document. For now, we'll create a cities record and we'll call it city. Why not? So all we need to do is set it as we set other variables, and it's as easy as that. Next, we can configure the map to show multiple markers. And similarly, we can set this from a result that returns a list of markers. So for example, an Algolia search result that returns a collection or like a list of markers. Now the one caveat here is that your cities collection, whatever collection it comes from, needs to have a lat-long type so that the map can know where to place these markers. In addition, you can configure actions for each of the markers on Marker tab. So in this case, we might want to, when a marker is tapped, maybe we want to show a bottom sheet. Now we'll just select what sheet we want, and this sheet takes in a city record, and we can set it to the marker record itself. So marker record it automatically knows that this means the marker that you're tapping on. And it's as simple as that. Google Maps is configured in your project. Thanks for watching and enjoy. See you next time.